Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprintbooster install. Today we're installing a Sprintbooster on this 2001 BMW E39. Sprintbooster is the original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide. When it debuted at SEMA, it won SEMA's Best New Product, so you know you're getting the good stuff. So the first step to your install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car with the front door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. The first step is to locate your throttle pedal assembly. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver to put into the little clip here. Depress the screwdriver and then slide back the throttle pedal. Once you've slid it, you can rotate and reveals the clip to the harness. Depress the two clips and unplug it, and then you plug your Sprintbooster in line. Next up, plug your controller into your Sprintbooster and then run it up to your dash. Before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive though, make sure you check that you're into the manual setting, because we have a manual car. But if you have an automatic car, switch it up to the automatic setting and then you're good to go. The Sprintbooster has 32 unique modes, including pedal lock mode and valet mode, which limit your throttle output. So in case anybody gets into your car, they can only rev it out to a certain range, and then that way it gives you a little bit more security. Other than that, you also have sport mode, which gives you 9 settings, and also another 9 settings in race mode. So you can really dial in your pedal feel to what feels the best for you in your car. We got another special one for you all. Kyle, the owner of this beautiful BMW, is going to come on and let us know what it feels like to have a Sprintbooster installed.
What's up? My name's Kyle, here for a Sprintbooster install. I was noticing a little bit of lag on my throttle, so figured I'd come and get JRP to install one for me. Let's see how she works.
Maybe turn it on. Let's press one more time.
Woo, man! I can notice it. 100% I can notice it.
Alright everybody, that's it. Thanks for checking out the Sprintbooster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprintbooster is right for your machine. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit us up in the comments. Let us know what other machines you want us to install a Sprintbooster on. And that's it guys. Have a great day. Bye now.